नमस्ते आदाब, मैं एंकर दिव्या काम्बले CBN न्यूज 18 में आपका स्वागत करती हूँ।
First of all, good morning all the viewers. Myself Sachin Bansode, the principal Pudar International School, Bhusavan. Today we have organized the science exhibition, art exhibitions, and one event, Voice Across the Border, in our schools. And I have visited the each and every stalls and each and every project what the children has made. The children has done the commendable jobs. I would like to talk about the science exhibition first. So in science exhibitions, first of all, we have allocated different topics to our childrens, and each and every class has a different kind of topics, and the children has prepared a very good projects on the given topics. So I visited the some projects, for example, the drip irrigations, organic farmings. After that, some children are making a projects on the AIs. So they have done the commendable jobs. Along with that, we have organized art exhibitions also. Whatever the children has done throughout the year in the arts, so that art has been displayed in the schools, and it was very nice to see the different kind of art forms which we have not seen generally. In that, I have visited the stalls of country of China, Japan, India, Russia, Greece, Spain. So these are the few countries whose arts and the culture has been displayed in the art exhibitions. Along with that, in the Voice Across the Borders, to give the knowledge about their cultures and their food stall, we have we have organized the food stall also. In that, our different kind of children have organized the food as per that country and as per that our states which are present in the India. So it was a commendable job done by our the childrens. So hats off to them, and thank you.
Well, good morning, sir. On behalf of National Science Day, our children have done a fantastic job. They have made an outstanding projects using their creativity and imagination. Like you can see, they have made a lot of projects like digestive system, parts of the plant, solar system, and so many. They have made an outstanding project like the topics whichever we have taught in the class. This is the way in which they are showcasing their talent. Thank you.
The moon is covered in potholes. These potholes are called craters. Moon craters are caused by the impact of comets or asteroids. These craters are of different sizes and some of them are very large. The moon is an easy target for the space rocks because it has little or no atmosphere like Earth. Moon has gravity, but Moon's gravity is weaker, only 1/6 of Earth's gravity. Phases of Moon are different shapes of Moon we can see from Earth. There are 8 phases of Moon, which are: first, new moon means no moon visible at all. Second, waxing crescent. Third, first quarter. Fourth, waxing gibbous. Fifth, full moon. Sixth, waning gibbous. Seventh, last quarter. Eighth, waning crescent. The word waxing means going off moon's image and waning refers to shrinking image. Thank you. Good morning. My name is Leah Sachilane. I am from senior KGB. My topic is respiratory system. The respiratory system helps us to breathe. Breathing is a feature of living thing. It consists of nose, trachea and lungs. We breathe oxygen in and carbon dioxide out. Breathing air in is inspiration and breathing air out is exhalation. Breathing smoke and polluted air makes our lungs sick, and breathing fresh and clean air makes our lungs healthy. Thank you. Good morning. My name is Asta Sujezope. My topic is solar system. The solar system consists of 8 planets and 1 sun. The 8 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. They move the sun. Thank you. Senior 3P. My topic is important for it. My name is Javadan Singh John. I belong senior KGA. My topic is digestive system. Digestive system bigger in the mouth. Stomach, sour and mixed food. Small intestine absorb nutrition. Large intestine absorb water. We sleep through our tunnels. Thank you. Cheerful morning, respected all. My name is Dasman Singh Anand. I belongs to senior KGA. My topic name is respiratory system. Today I am telling you the respiratory process. These are the lungs. These are the lungs. This is respiratory tract. And when we inhale, it will expand. When we exhale, it will contract. Let us see practically. Good morning, everyone. My name is Jay Shogesh Khumde, student of Senior KG Section A. Today, I am going to introduce you on 3 models: uses of water, water pollution, and how to treat it. We all know we use water for our daily lives, like brushing our teeth, taking a bath, and various houseworks. But we still pollute the water. I try to show you how people and industry pollute the water. We release untreated water into water bodies like river that definitely pollutes the water. We can control water pollution by water treatment plant. It cleans the water and send it to cities and industries. Hope you save water. Thank you. Hello everyone, my name is Jadira Darshana Sanjibo. Play by project name is Phases of Moon, Craters on Moon, Gravity. The phases of the Moon. The phases of the Moon are the different shapes of the Moon that are visible from Earth. As it orbits the planet, the Moon goes through 8 phases which repeat every 29.5 days. New Moon, Waxing Crescent, First Quarter, Waxing Gibbous, Full Moon, Waning Gibbous, Third Quarter, Waning Crescent. The digestive system is a tube that starts at the mouth and ends at the anus. It breaks down food for absorb nutrients for energy and growth. In our body, there is a small intestine and a large intestine. When the food is chewed in the mouth, the digestive process starts. The anus is the end of large intestine. In our body, there is a small intestine and a large intestine. Thank you.
देखते रहिए CBN
Press the
News
bell icon on the
हर
YouTube
समस्या में
app
आपके
and never
साथ,
miss another
हर
update.
खबरों में सच्चाई से आपके पास, क्योंकि हम सच दिखाते हैं। हमारे CBN News 18 चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। जय हिंद, जय